Cooking enthusiasts understand the importance of versatile, durable, and user-friendly cookware in the kitchen. This Moss & Stone 12-inch large skillet with lid offers all that and more, making it a standout choice for home cooks and professionals alike. With features like a non-toxic stone coating, even heating, and a thoughtful design, this skillet is built to simplify your cooking process while delivering delicious results. Let's dive into a detailed review of this 5-quart sauté pan and explore how it can revolutionize your cooking experience. Key features of the Moss & Stone skillet. 1. Professional-grade die-cast aluminum construction. Made from high-quality die-cast aluminum, this skillet is designed for durability and efficiency. Its superior construction ensures quick and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. 2. Generous 12-inch size with 3.4-inch depth. This skillet provides ample cooking space, making it ideal for preparing large portions of stir-fries, pasta dishes, or family-sized breakfasts. The deep design also reduces splattering, keeping your kitchen cleaner during use. 3. Safe non-stick stone coating. The 2-layer non-stick coating is PFOA-free, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. It's also scratch-resistant, allowing you to use everyday utensils without worrying about damaging the surface. 4. Shatter-resistant glass lid. The included lid is designed for safety and durability. Its heat-resistant properties allow you to monitor your dishes while retaining moisture and flavor during cooking. 5. Versatility with multiple heat sources. This skillet is compatible with a range of heat sources, including stovetops, electric ceramic cooktops, and even ovens, up to 465 degrees Fahrenheit for 240s without the lid. This flexibility makes it an all-in-one solution for searing, sautéing, frying, and baking. 6. Eco-friendly and easy to clean. Its non-stick surface ensures minimal oil usage, promoting healthier cooking habits. Cleanup is a breeze. Just use a soft sponge and a neutral detergent to remove residue effortlessly. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. 7. Double handles for ease of use. The skillet features ergonomic double handles, making it easy to lift, carry, and maneuver, even when filled with heavy ingredients. 8. 1-year warranty and customer support. Moss & Stone stands by the quality of their skillet, offering a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Why choose the Moss & Stone skillet? 1. Everyday cooking made easy. From frying eggs to simmering stews, this skillet is designed to handle all your cooking needs. Its even heat distribution and non-stick coating ensure that your meals are cooked to perfection with minimal effort. 2. Healthier cooking. The PFOA-free stone coating allows you to use less oil, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. The eco-friendly design aligns with sustainable cooking practices, making it a guilt-free choice for the environmentally conscious. 3. Saves time and effort. With its quick heating properties and easy-to-clean surface, this skillet streamlines your cooking and cleanup process, giving you more time to enjoy your meals. 4. Durability and reliability. The die-cast aluminum construction and scratch-resistant coating ensure that this skillet will be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Conclusion. This Moss & Stone 12-inch large skillet with lid combines innovation, functionality, and durability into one exceptional cookware piece. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this skillet makes cooking a breeze. Its superior construction, health-conscious design, and versatility make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their culinary game. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine and enjoy delicious, hassle-free meals, this skillet is the perfect investment for your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.